Welcome to another Binance tutorial. In today's video, we're gonna learn how to deposit on Binance. Before we start, please do us a favor by subscribing to our channel and turn on the notification bell for you to know when I upload new video. Before you trade cryptocurrency on Binance, you need to deposit fiat or crypto fund. In this video, we'll be depositing Bitcoin from Trust Wallet. Log in to your Binance account. Once you have logged in, if you are using Binance mobile app, switch to Binance Pro. Click on Deposit. But if you are using the web version, move the mouse to Fiat and Spot. Then click on Deposit. Select Crypto tab. Choose the cryptocurrency you would like to deposit. For us now, we want to deposit Bitcoin. So we select Bitcoin. Note that if the cryptocurrency is issued on multiple networks, select the one you want to use. For us to deposit Bitcoin 9, we need to copy the depositing address. Note that some crypto requires both the address and the memo, such as BNB. Copy both of them and paste in the appropriate fields, as any mistake in any of the address leads to the loss of the fund. As you copy the Bitcoin address, go to your Trust Wallet or any exchange you want to transfer from. Open the Trust Wallet. As you open the Trust Wallet, go to Bitcoin. Open the Bitcoin. Click on Send. Then paste the address. Select the amount of crypto you want to buy. Once you have selected the amount of crypto you want to buy, then up there, click on Continue. Once you have clicked on Continue, confirm the transaction. Once you have sent it from your Trust Wallet, you confirm the transaction. Go back to your Binance and check it on your Spot Wallet by clicking History. That's it on how to deposit on Binance. Please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell for more interesting videos.